how to change passcode on Tonkeeper Wallet. So let's get started. First thing first, launch the Tonkeeper Wallet app on your device. Once you're inside the Tonkeeper Wallet app, simply tap on the settings icon available in the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the security option available there. Inside security, tap on the change passcode at the bottom. Now, all you have to do is enter your current password for verification. After entering your current passcode, input your new desired passcode and confirm the new passcode by entering it again. Once you have set the new passcode, ensure you save the changes, and the app may prompt you to log in again using the new passcode, but if not, then that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.